Rooftop Aquarius Hotel, Phnom Penh City, Cambodia. We are replacing existing shade cells with high quality shade cells. Today we have a set of new shade cells made with HDPE fabric, 15 years manufacturer warranty. New shade cells installed, fully tensioned and fitted perfectly into the place. The overlapping parts not touching each other.